In every workshop, there comes a moment when a simple piece of wood becomes something far greater than its size suggests. A moment when a small idea turns into a steady stream of income. That is the heart of today's journey, a deep dive into the world of many woodworking projects that sell fast, attract repeat buyers, and create reliable profit with surprisingly little material, time, or complexity. These are the builds that fit on a small bench, that require only a handful of tools, yet carry the power to fill your shelves with income-generating products. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker who wants to expand your catalog, or a beginner searching for accessible projects that bring in real money, the world of mini crafts has become one of the most profitable segments of handmade decor. Why? Because buyers love items that are functional, cute, giftable, and affordable, and you can produce them quickly without draining your resources. Throughout this narration, we'll explore how small builds turn into big earnings, how you can create a brand around tiny but irresistible wooden pieces, and why this category has become a goldmine for makers on Instagram, Etsy, TikTok Marketplace, Facebook shops, and craft fairs all over the world. So settle in. Today we are carving out a new path, one where every small cut, curve, and sanding stroke becomes an investment in your financial freedom. Let's step into the workshop and discover how many woodworking projects can give you maximum income with minimal complexity, all while fueling your creativity and strengthening your craft. Many woodworking projects have exploded in demand because they solve a fundamental challenge for both buyers and sellers: affordability combined with charm. Buyers want decor that fits their homes without overwhelming space or budget. Sellers want projects that don't require long hours or expensive lumber. Many builds sit perfectly at the center of both realities. These projects also offer one of the most attractive business advantages for makers: low material cost, high perceived value. A small piece of hardwood that might seem like scrap suddenly becomes a stylish shelf accent, a personalized gift, or a functional home accessory that feels boutique quality. Many items allow you to stretch every board further, generating more pieces from every cut and reducing waste while increasing profit. One of the reasons mini woodworking is so financially powerful is its ability to create repeat customers. Someone may not buy a large furniture piece twice in the same year, but they will purchase multiple small items for gifts, decor, and seasonal updates. Mini crafts also open the door to bundle deals, sets, mix and match collections, and custom orders, all of which boost sales. When you offer small products, customers can build their own combinations, which creates engagement and increases your average order value. But the real magic lies in the emotional connection that small handmade items create. People love to hold them, feel the grain, appreciate the craftsmanship, and sense the personality of the maker. When someone picks up a mini item at a craft fair, you can see their reaction immediately: a smile, curiosity, a desire to display it somewhere special. These small pieces carry a warmth and uniqueness that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. To succeed financially with mini woodworking projects, consistency is key. Many items are fast to produce, but the most profitable woodworkers are the ones who establish a recognizable style. Whether your look is rustic farmhouse, modern minimalist, vintage-inspired, or nature-themed, your mini projects should speak the same visual language. This consistency helps customers identify your brand at a glance. When they see your product on a table or online store, they know it belongs to you without reading your name. That is the kind of brand recognition that leads to long-term earnings. Marketing mini woodworking projects is easier than people expect. These items photograph beautifully. They fit nicely into flat lays, lifestyle setups, and overhead shots. They're perfect for short social media videos showing sanding, finishing, engraving, or assembly. A 10-second clip of you applying finish to a tiny project can go viral because viewers find small builds satisfying and relaxing to watch. Combine that with a caption explaining their purpose and why buyers love them, and you create content that naturally attracts customers. Another benefit of mini woodworking is that it encourages experimentation. Unlike large builds where mistakes are costly, mini items let you explore new shapes, designs, and finishing techniques without fear. A single board can give you several attempts to refine a design. This freedom accelerates your growth as a woodworker. You learn faster, you fail cheaper, and you improve continuously until your products become polished, professional, and profitable. Let's talk about the business side. Pricing strategies play a huge role in your income. Many items should not be undervalued. Yes, they are small, but they carry the cost of craftsmanship, sanding, finishing, and unique design. Buyers understand this, especially if your presentation is professional. Packaging, branding stamps, and clean photography all raise perceived value. You can price many items attractively while still earning strong profit margins because the material cost is minimal and production time is manageable. To boost income further, consider seasonal variations. Mini woodworking thrives during holidays: Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, wedding season, graduation, Halloween, and Christmas. Each season brings unique demands: hearts, ornaments, small signs, decorative tags, ornaments, and personalized gifts. When you offer seasonal items, buyers return again and again throughout the year. A solid seasonal strategy can double or even triple your yearly income from small projects. Another advantage is how many items create opportunities for customization. Initials, names, dates, icons, symbols, and engraved quotes all add value and emotional significance. Personalized items almost always sell faster and at higher prices. Many woodworkers use this approach to transform simple builds into premium, one-of-a-kind gifts. Now, let's explore how mini woodworking projects build financial momentum. When you create small items consistently, you begin to form inventory in variety and quantity. This inventory helps you open online shops, participate in craft fairs, and fill display shelves quickly. You look professional. Customers trust you. They see you as an established maker, and that trust translates directly into sales. Many items also carry lower shipping costs, making them ideal for online selling. Lightweight, compact, and durable, they ship without needing heavy packaging or reinforcement. To achieve steady income, the key is producing in batches. In the end, mini woodworking projects show us something powerful. Success isn't always about building bigger things, sometimes it's about building smart things. Every small piece you create holds the potential to bring income, spark joy, and strengthen your identity as a woodworker. These projects are simple enough for beginners, flexible enough for intermediate makers, and profitable enough for professionals. They prove that creativity can fit in the palm of your hand while still creating limitless financial opportunity. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.